Ooh, what'd you get, Bug?
What are they?
It's a bunch of books to do numbers and letters. Cool, huh?
Yeah. Wow.
Turn it over.
Look.
What is it?
It's drawing.
It's drawing?
Yeah.
Like a Mickey drawing book?
Yeah.
Cool.
Mickey. The new shirt.
Oh, what's on that one? That's a colorful one. Oh, neat. I think there's leaves and fruits. That's neat, Bug. I like this.
Look.
That one's pretty too.
Look. What are these?
There's some notebook.
Look, it's new clothes again.
Yeah, you got a lot of colorful shirts.
Look. Look.
Oh, Dora.
Yeah, it was Dora. I thought it was Dora.